Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the rear door handle on BMW E65, E66. Okay, as you can see, we'll be putting a new door, so we need to replace that door handle, put it on another door. So stay with us to show you exactly how to remove it and replace it, guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, in order to remove the door handle, you need to remove that cap right here. You need to pull it out like that. Okay, just the centerpiece come out. Once we remove it, I'll show you exactly what it looks like. It's pretty tight there, really tight fit, and it goes deep, pretty deep too. Okay, just like that. So that's what the cap looks like. You can remove the outer piece too if you need more room to work with. Alright guys, so in order not to remove the door panel, we removed it so we can show you better and we can actually get the light in. What you need to do, you will need to actually pry it like that a little bit with a screwdriver, and at the same time when you do, there is one tooth holding there, and then you need to get something like that to get in this hole right here. Okay, and now you need to push in, okay, like that. And when you push in all the way, you can see you can go ahead and pull the door handle out now. Okay, you can see on the outside, and now you can see you can play with it a little bit like that and it will come out. It comes in a specific angle, okay, so you need to be careful with it. Okay, almost there, like that. Okay, you can see the bottom one comes out first, and now what we have here is the light for the door handle, so we need to remove that spring right here. You can see the one which is located right there. You need to pull it out, okay, like that. You can grab it on the back. Okay, once you remove that, the door handle will be out, guys. Be careful, that's the light cable. Okay, and that's how you remove, guys, the door handle without removing door panel or anything like that. Pretty simple. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. We have a new video on our channel every day. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.